Hey guys, it's your girl Arnesha coming back with another video, and since it is Halloween day, what else would I be doing other than a last minute Halloween costume DIY, mommy and daughter, however you want to word that, because again, Raven Elise taught us that we do not buy costumes. So if you want to see how I made this Winnie the Pooh and Christopher Robin look, keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I just went to my local Hobby Lobby and I picked up a onesie in 0 to 3 months because baby girl is in that size of clothing. And then I got an eighth of fabric. Never thought I'd buy an eighth of fabric. And I just took a Sharpie and traced about 2 inches outside of the lining of the shirt, and at this point you can see that I completely messed up and I was drawing on the wrong side because it was like 8 o'clock at night the night before Halloween and I had a fussy newborn. But yeah, so just go ahead and trace your outline, and yeah, that's all you need for this stuff. And then I took a donut break. But anyways, back to what we needed to be doing. So next you're just going to go ahead and cut out your shirt layout thing. I cut a little bit outside of the line that I traced, and I didn't pay attention to the fact that I didn't have fabric scissors at home, so I just used some that were sitting around my house. And yeah, if you have pins, I would definitely pin it around the edge for this, but I forgot to get pins. So, and finally, the easiest part of this entire DIY costume, we're just going to start sewing. So to start sewing, I did about 3 inline stitches, and then I just went crisscross, and my seams came out beautiful. My seams were the most beautiful part of this costume. If I would have had a pattern, this costume would have literally been perfect. So yeah, I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me sew this, so I'll see you in a second when we're trying this on baby girl. So I sewed it all up, and it's so uneven, but it was kind of rushed. And I mean, you know, it was rushed. It's last minute, but whatever. You fold it inside out, and honestly my seams look really good, so that's all I'm really worried about, because on her it looks nice, so it doesn't look as bad as it looks, if that makes sense. And then like wow, this does look bad on camera, but yeah, this is her little Pooh shirt, little red velvet shirt. And then I'll get her dressed and show you guys. So here's the full costume basically. That's why it doesn't even matter, because who's gonna be able to tell? Let's do it like this, not on her, because it's nighttime, so we'll get this shot in the morning for the last clip. But boom, booyah. If I would have done this the way that I told myself to, this would have came out a lot better. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Again, first time, something has to go wrong. Oh, but that is perfect. Good morning, everybody. As you can tell, the sun is up now. The sun is up. It is 11:26 in the morning. Yeah. It's 11:26 a.m. and it is officially Halloween. So happy Halloween. Happy spectacular day. This is not my Halloween vlog, but I will link it somewhere in this video. So make sure you find it and we'll check that out. But last night you watched me make baby girl's costume. Her costume is done. Again, not the best sew job. someone's ever probably done. But for a first time, I think I did good. I didn't use a pattern, and this is hand sewn. Honestly, all I care about is how good those seams look. Hold on, let's. Oh, it's not going to focus on my seams though. This side actually is perfect. This is the only side that's... Okay, look. This side is a perfect shirt. I don't know what happened here. It's just uneven, but next year, Aramaya will do better. Whoa. Ah! It's a Pooh Bear! 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 So for my costume, I am the one and the only Christopher Robin. Let's see if I can get a cool transition. Wow, this shirt is actually making me feel a little big. And half of my outfit, I just got some blue joggers from the school uniform section. The little boy section in Wally World. Okay, wow, why do I look like this? Well, it's a good thing this isn't about me. This is about baby girl. I feel so pudgy right here, which is different because I usually never feel pudgy, but whatever. So yeah, this is the costume. Sweet and to the point. I want to go get a red balloon because I feel like how can you be Winnie the Pooh and Christopher Robin with no red balloon? But we'll see. We might not make it to that. If you know, you know. I'm going to wake up my daughter so I can finish this and get this uploaded hopefully by noon for all of us last minute people. So yeah. These pants are going to come off though, so these are really tight. These are really tight and uncomfy. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay.
So, Lou, real name?
Young Nana is never going to be able to be video help. Start with.
That 20 kilos we ripped from the club.
What do you think, Jay? We say we found it in his trunk, send you up for 30 years.
Model walk. Okay, you're supposed to be giving the camera face right now.
Not some corner boy.
And
It's
you're
just gonna
not.
flip.
Aramaya. Ooh. Black
So how
Lives
about one of you
Matter.
go fetch me a sandwich?